Today I'm going to show you how to use a disinfecting wipe. Using a disinfecting wipe is a simple process. Here are the steps. Select a disinfecting wipe that is appropriate for the surface that you want to clean. Read the label carefully to ensure that the wipe is effective against the specific germs or viruses that you are trying to disinfect. Next, open the package and remove the wipe. Be careful not to touch the other wipes in the package, as this can contaminate them. Then, wipe the surface that you want to disinfect with a disinfecting wipe, making sure to cover the entire surface. If necessary, use multiple wipes to clean larger surfaces. Allow the surface to air dry completely. Do not wipe away the disinfectant or dry the surface with a towel, as this can reduce the effectiveness of the disinfectant. Next, dispose of the used wipe in the trash. Do not flush it down the toilet. Then, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after using the disinfecting wipe. It is important to note that disinfecting wipes are intended for use on hard, non-porous surfaces such as countertops, doorknobs, and electrical devices. They should not be used on skin or other sensitive surfaces.